Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Snapchat Plus with Cash App. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use Cash App to buy Snapchat Plus, just open up your Snapchat, and then once you've opened up your Snapchat, go to your account, click on your top left here on your account, and then go to your settings option here. So on your top right, hit on settings, and then now go to Snapchat Plus here, and then now click on subscribe. And then when you get to subscribe, you'll see this option here about Snapchat Plus. Hit on next, and then here click on plans, and then you'll select the plan that best suits you. So once you're done with that, hit on start free trial, and this will now take you to your Google Play Store here, where you will be able to set up the payment option. So here under the payment method here, so click on this payment method here, and then now if you want to use Cash App, then you'll be able to do so by using your Cash App MasterCard. So only if you have your Cash App MasterCard, you'll be able to do this. Or else what you can do, so else if you have your MasterCard, you can simply hit on add card, and then simply scan or type in the details of your Cash App MasterCard, and then you can use that as the payment. Or else you can also use your bank, if you have, you can also use your Cash App bank account details, and you can add it to your Play Store and then use that. But most preferably, if you have your MasterCard from Cash App, you can simply use that. Just hit on it and then provide the details of it, and that's it. You can complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.